probability introduction. If we are tossing a coin, we get head or a tail. What we are getting, head or a tail, is a outcome. Here the person is experimenting or a trial. If action is a tossing a coin, we get outcome head or a tail. We are getting experiment and we are getting outcome equals to head and tail. We are getting only two outcomes, head and a tail. In same way, we can say it as H and T. The set of all possible outcome of experiment is called sample space. Means here we get a two, head or a tail. What is sample space? If we have a cube, dice, rolling of a dice. If we are rolling a dice, the total number of outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What we getting outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the sample space are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means desired outcomes equals to 6. That is called sample space. Here the rolling of experiment, rolling of a dice, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The set of collective which have desired outcome are called event. Desired outcome are 6. The science behind prediction of some of the term is called event. Here the sample space is 1, 2, 3. Take another example, team A and team B. Who will win the match? Team A or team B? They are playing any sports. Here we are playing cricket. Chances are 50%, 50%. Theoretical probability. If match played, team A 10, win 8, lose 2. And team B total played 10, win 2, loss 8. Then what is the probability? Here the empirical probability means experimental probability is 80% and 20%. Theoretical probability and experimental probability. The experimental probability chances are 80% of team A and 20% of team B. As theoretical probability, the both having a 50% chance of winning match. Team A chances 50%, team B chances 50%. In experimental basis, they have played 10 matches, team A won 8 and team B won 2 matches. Means the probability of winning team A is 80% and probability of team B winning is 20%. In this way we can find the probability of any event occurring. Suppose coin is tossed 100 times. If we are getting head 47 times and tail 53 times, what is the probability of getting a head and what is the probability of getting tail? Here we are getting probability head 47 times, means total we have tossed 100 times, we get probability of head equals to 47 by 100 and the probability of tail 53 by 100. The few points we should know about the probability. The probability of event lies always between 0 and 1 inclusive. Means the probability range from 0 to 1. Means we are getting maximum probability 1 and minimum probability equals to 0. The probability cannot be negative and can't be greater than 1. Means 1.2 probability is not possible, minus 0.5 probability is not possible. The sum of probability of all the possible outcome is 1. If we are adding all the probabilities of total outcomes, we get equals to 1 and the probability of event is not in a sample space is 0. Means if any event is not occurring, means we can say its probability equals to 0. Thank you.